India has taken major strides toward finalizing a huge defense deal to acquire 114 French-made Rafale fighter jets for the Indian Air Force, IAF, a move seen as one of the country's largest defense procurements ever and a key step in strengthening its aerial combat capability. In the first quarter of the year, the Indian Defence Procurement Board, DPB, headed by the Defence Secretary, approved the proposal to buy 114 Rafale fighters, clearing a significant procedural hurdle. This approval marks the project's initial formal step and allows the proposal to proceed to the Defence Acquisition Council, DAC, for further review and negotiation. Officials indicate the deal could be worth around 3.25 lakh rupees crore, roughly $39 billion, making it one of the most expensive defense purchases in India's history. Once completed, it will dramatically boost India's fleet, helping close a persistent fighter shortage in the IAF. A standout feature of the current negotiations is India's insistence on maximum possible localization under its Make in India defense initiative. Government sources say up to 80% of these 114 Rafale jets could be built in India, with parts of manufacturing migrated from France to Indian facilities. Discussions include setting up maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO) hubs domestically and even shifting assembly lines for critical components to India, moves expected to improve serviceability and foster technical know-how within the Indian aerospace sector. India has also laid down strict, non-negotiable conditions for French aircraft maker Dassault Aviation, including significant technology transfer and integration of Indian weapons systems into the jets, reinforcing the localization agenda. The Rafale fighter jet platform, already in service with the Indian Air Force after an initial induction of 36 jets, is viewed as a cornerstone of India's air power, especially amid concerns over regional threats and the Indian Air Force aging fleet. Additional Rafale fighter jet will enhance air superiority, deep strike capability, and overall deterrence against potential adversaries. Selecting Rafale fighter jet also aligns with India's broader strategy to maintain parity with neighboring air forces, which are also upgrading their fighter inventories. The proposed deal is expected to deepen India-France defense cooperation, particularly as French President Emmanuel Macron prepares for an official visit to India, where talks on finalizing the pact may accelerate. In parallel with the Air Force initiative, India has already agreed to a 63,000 crore rupees deal for 26 Rafale Marine jets for the Indian Navy, intended to operate from the INS Vikrant and Vikramaditya. Deliveries of these carrier-based fighters are slated to begin by 2029, further strengthening India's maritime air power.